Okay, let's run through checking a part with some of the tools we've looked at. This is a part I made a long time ago for a spark plug manufacturer that shall remain nameless. Alright, so we're going to start on the big OD. So that's 875, 85, 89, 5/10. 889 5/10. Next diameter in 870 and 8/10. Next diameter. Um, 699 3/10. Alright, 75, 85, 95, 99, and 3/10. Alright, okay, now the hex on the front here. 622, 7/10, 6/10. Overall length 1 inch 805. Alright, see 1 inch just past the 805. Let's look at shoulders. So it looks like it's about 2.2. And shoulders about 840. Yeah, about 840. And there's a little. You can't even check it on this. You would need an comparator or a shadow graph to check all that form in there, because this radius goes down into a flat there, into a little angle that comes up to another little flat right at the tip here. So it goes flat for so long, down into an angle, into flat. I think it's only like 5/10 difference from here to there, if I remember, per side. So it'll be 1 thou on diameter on both sides if you're checking with a mic, but I forget. But that's basically that whole part that I can check here. Other than the ID, I'm not going to set up a bore gauge and check the ID. I don't, yeah. Maybe another day. We already checked the ID on this part with the bore gauge, right? So anyway, there's that part. These are some other parts that I've made. A little punch part, and I had to grind all that form tip work there. The spherical front nose and all. This is basically the same part, different revolution, different revision. And then another part for the same company. I don't know if you can tell what that is, but it is what it is. That part was EDM'd. The lettering was EDM'd. The rest of it was ground. I ground that little post on there is what I had to do. Alright, that's the end of this video. Go measure something.